Mumbai, Delhi, and all the things, and I would like to set that out of it. Okay, you can see here there's all wonderful earrings which I happen to see in Kochi. Okay, that's in Broadway. If you go over there, whatever you are seeing right now here is only for 40 rupees. Okay, the big earrings, small earrings, even 20 rupees, 10 rupees is there, and all over here is actually of 40 rupees. That's really nice, very incredible. Okay, so now you can proudly say that Kochi is also having this kind of level of low cost um, shopping experience on the streets of Kochi. So just go and watch it. And I have purchased a lot. I have purchased a lot for myself, and I enjoyed it. I like earrings and jewelries for keeping it all together. So I purchased a lot for 40 rupees one piece. It's amazing. So just go, I'm just giving you a thing. Just go to Broadway or get down at Menaka and just walk through the streets of Broadway. You can see this little men with a cycle. They are doing this, selling this masterpiece of earrings and all. So enjoy, guys. Street explorations next time.